Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel. I have made many types of video, but the most famous video related to nails. Everyone has been waiting for them. Here is another video related to nail extensions. So here I am starting the video. So here I am cutting my nail. This will give a great result. The fake nails will stick here. I'm cleaning my nails. And make sure my nails are neat and clean. And pushing back my cuticles. After that, I applied the gel over the nails. I applied it on top and put it inside the fake nails. This will bond strongly to your fake and real nails apps. After application, press it for a 2 or 5 seconds and hold it properly. Hey, wait! If you want your nails look naturally long, then you can watch my popular video, which is related to grow your nails long. And wait, if you are new to my channel, like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's do a magic by applying all the nails at once. So here I have applied all the nails in 2 seconds with magics. And after that, take your favorite nail paint color and apply over the nails. So here I take purple color because my dress is purple too. Apply 2 layers of my favorite color, purple. 1 layer it will hide the fake nail and 1 layer will create a neat and clean look. So here is the result. It looks so good. After that, I thought of applying shining nail polish, but the simple look too cute, so I did not. So here is my final look. It looks so good and simple look kept it beauty. If you like the simple and easy method, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.